In this video, I will show you how to make a ring. This would usually be used for projects where you work in rounds rather than rows. For example, a traditional granny square design. For this sample, I will be using a 4mm crochet hook and an Aran weight yarn. Make a chain of the number of stitches as required by your pattern. Here I have made 5 chains. Join the chains into a ring with a slip stitch by inserting the hook into the first stitch made. Wrap your hook under and over your yarn, pull through the stitch and the loop on the hook. Here you have joined your ring.